3/8/2021 S&P 500 is at that 50-day simple moving average right now. Here are the previous lows as follows. And let us just tell you that the trend itself continues to sell in to resistance no matter what. Whether it's on this index was acting better today and we went up and we hit the moving averages and we came down and now we're right back at what we call a 50-day simple moving average. Tesla's in the S&P 500 index. It was added and Tesla's been going down. And a lot of stocks in the tech sector have been weighing on top of this S&P 500 index. That is the bottom line, and that is the reality. There is the previous low. Support's going to be 37.95. We break it. Well, we can see where we had the Friday lows, and they bought that S&P on that dip, and they did. And then they gapped it to resistance. So far, what has been going on within these trends overall, I call them in the tech sector, I call them bear trends because that's what they are. And in the S&P 500, you have a mixed bag. And you have the tech sector leaders that are in that S&P 500 index that keeps knocking it down. And then there's other ones that were acting well. So, with higher yields in the 10-year, that has not helped. And each rally, you sell into the rallies. Listen, Option Trading Room is here to help you with these kind of markets. They're not like they were a month ago. No, they're not. And the markets have changed. And this particular kind of pullback, and we're at a frenzy. It's called people are moving into cyclicals, and those stocks are getting crowded. They have to pull back, and the correction so far in a lot of individual names within the tech sector from their recent highs to current levels, Apple being one. Oh yeah, I'll do that chart next. S&P 500 is at breach. Option Trading Room. You need risk management. You need help. You have a trading account. You want to know what to do, how to do it. Then go ahead. Take the free 5-day trial. Get to know us. We'll get to know you. And as we develop the relationship, well, we develop what we call profits. That's what we do. And right now, we're not gangbusters on the tech sector because that's not where the money's printing. And if you do get a trade, and if you are a trader now, then that is what we're going to do to help you. If you're an investor, then we're going to help you manage the risk for those kinds of people. So you have active traders in the options. Then you have investors in options that need to learn how to balance their risk and knowing when to sell and all the things that produce profits at the end of the day. And at the end of the day, sign up for the free trial. S&P 500 is at major risk. If we start to sell through that 50-day moving average tomorrow, and or better yet, if we were to gap below it, then more sellers are more likely to move in than buyers. And that is what we have to watch. The AD line will be very important. There's lots of things that we watch. I don't have to go into the video. I'm going to tell you, you're at risk in the S&P 500. And as long as we continue to sell into resistance, then the put side of the market, buying put options, is what pays. The dip buyers are being destroyed. They have not worked.